I'm here to introduce Cleepcam to you. Cleepcam is an artificial intelligent wireless on camera. So we're venturing into the security and monitoring space right now because it's an exciting space and there's a lot of room for technological improvement in our market, right? And also there's a steady rate of adoption for home monitoring and security right now. So I introduced Cleepcam to you. Cleepcam is an elegantly designed wireless home camera, and it's artificially intelligent, and we've been able to achieve that by developing a framework for ourselves where we do IoT analytics. So we do extensive deep learning analytics, deep learning in the sense that we do descriptive analytics, which is how we transform bulk of data back to our users to give them meaningful values, or predictive analytics, which we try to preempt something that you wouldn't want to happen in your house. So it's a total package. It's an awesome product, and we've been working on this for 18 months now because unlike yeah, sure, you could take a look at it, but that's an injection mode, by the way. It doesn't do it justice in any way. That's our third iteration for an injection mode. That's like the third one because you have to do it different series and actually test it to see if it meets the user requirements that
Well, there's no camera inside.
No,
there's a camera.
This is an injection mode.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if you're new to hardware development.
Oh, okay.
This is
it's like a prototype.
Yeah, but this is like a low-level prototype, right? So this is an injection mode, right? So before you do CNC is it's a form of 3D printing that would resemble the actual product itself, like the way the product actually look in the market, all the colors and everything. I don't know if you've actually seen the product itself. Have you gone to our website?
Yeah, I checked your website. Yeah, I saw how it's supposed to look, but that's just one picture of it. Right?
Yeah, exactly. So there's actually a bunch of pictures here that I could show you.
So it's for home, right? I put it on the wall.
Exactly. So you see this dent right here? It's all part of the user requirement. This is why it took time for us to actually design this, right? For most products out there, they don't take into consideration the whole stretch of the user experience, So we design a gadget that could actually stand on its own, like that, right? And as well, just mount it on the wall. I don't know, do I want users to see that?
And what's inside? What's the hardware over there? How it's made?
It's we have a microcontroller in it. We have a camera module in it. We have humidity sensor in it.
And microcontroller, it's like what is it? Raspberry Pi or
Oh no, okay. When it comes to that, you're talking about contract manufacturing, right?
Yeah.
No, it's like you're going to Best Buy and you want to buy a speaker. You try them out, right? Right now, we do have a company that we're working with. I wouldn't want to disclose that, but we could make a different choice. But right now, we're working on a 32-bit microcontroller.
And how many people in the team?
Right now?
What's the group? Yeah.
We're 6 people in the team.
Wow,
Yeah.
6 people.
Yeah.
And can you tell me what the roles are? Who are these people briefly?
Okay.
And do you have similar solutions on the market? Can you show me them? Probably there are many of them, right?
Okay, like Next, for example.
Yeah, show me the biggest one, the most popular, what people are buying right now.
Okay, this is saying Next, right?
And the camera is for the purpose of the camera is to show me on my phone what's going on in the house.
No, it's gonna do that, right? But that's like for basic companies like this, right? That's what Nest would offer you. That's what this other one that offers like a really terrible user experience will offer you as well. We take it to the next level, right? We've incorporated deep learning to our solution. So that way, when you get to the house, your camera actually knows your result. It's not a human being or someone randomly just walked in, which is where we offer advanced sensory analytics. We take our solution to the next level.
And how will we do that? I mean,
we use deep learning on our back end. That's our value proposition. That's where we actually make money. We're not gonna make much money off of just selling this product. You know, the value proposition is translating all that data into value to our customers, which is where, you know,
it's kind of difficult technically to understand who is walking in the house, to understand my face. And
yeah, it is, and we're making.
Do you
a
have the
solution
software
for that.
for that?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's
Can you
what
show
we're
me
doing.
how it works?
No, I can't show you that right now. I can't.
Okay.
Where we have an SDK, right, that we're working on, that is plugging in into our backend server. So we take data from this camera, right? Because, you know, the camera is designed in a special way that the feed that's coming to us is going to come in a certain format. It's going to be encoded in a certain way. Because if it doesn't go through like that, we're not going to be able to make proper analytics to it. That's how we're able to do like facial recognition, which is something I just told you right now. So if you got this camera, for example, right, you put it in your house, introductory packet is going to tell you to register all your members of your family.
And how much are you going to charge for that?
There's still a little debate, but do I really want to disclose that right now?
No, it's okay, don't worry.
Yeah.
But still, let's say these guys, they sell for $200, $170, something.
Oh no, we're gonna be we're gonna be cheaper than these guys, right?
Even cheaper.
A little
That's
bit.
good.
Yeah, we're gonna be cheaper, but not that. Probably $10 cheaper.
So it's not going to be like $50.
Oh no, probably
Okay,
like 10 or $20 cheaper.
All right,
right?
right.
But
Still
that's
same
gonna be,
category.
Yeah, but that's gonna be for our beta customers, right? Because we're
That's
giving
right.
back for our beta
For
customers.
early customers.
Exactly, early adopters, right?
6 people, right?
Yeah, 6 people.
And they all have like full-time jobs somewhere, right?
Oh no!
It's like a side project for you, or not?
No, not 4 are full time, but 2 other people have, you know, other jobs.
So 4 people are working just on that?
Yeah, because it took time to actually craft this, right? If you look at the design, you know, it took a lot of time to actually make this.
Yeah, I understand that. So 4 people are working on this product full time right now.
Oh yeah.
So you will have all the hardware made inside, and you will have the working prototype.
Exactly. You're gonna be able to hold this camera in September, right? And it will work, right? That is our timeline right now. And
the back end as well?
Yeah, the whole thing. Where
it's going to be just one sample, or it's going to be like a series of them?
Probably 5.
5? And how are you going to manufacture them? The 3D printing?
No.
How you will make the box? I mean, physically, the plastic box.
Oh, we have manufacturers that we work with here in the Bay Area.
They will make you just 5 copies for you?
Yeah, if you pay for it, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds really cool. I mean, that sounds cool in terms of that your intention to make this cool product and to really help people with this problem is amazing. What really is a problem is that you don't have anything to demonstrate now except this device.
Yeah, there's no.
So that's like it means for me that you can either be a really big success, or it may be the whole, like, you know, there's 2 extreme situations. Everything is fake. Oh, thanks for that.
Yeah.
Everything may be just a fake, or it's a really big success in the future. I don't know where you are. You know, that's why it's kind of a question for me. So maybe you're just making it the whole thing up, or there's really the technology and ideas behind that, which will make you the next Nest product, which is even, or maybe even better. Yeah, so you just need to bring something here to demonstrate something, some software, maybe the back end, maybe the front end, maybe the device. If you're telling me that you're gonna have everything on September, then come to me in a month. It's gonna be July. It's gonna be July, which is 1 month away from your finish, right? And show me something, the back end, or the 2 months, or maybe the iPhone app, or something which I can touch and see the quality of what you guys can produce. Because now I don't know. Maybe the pictures are good, and this thing is, I mean, it's a nice idea, but how do I know that you will be able actually to succeed? I don't know.
What would your question be exactly?
We need to see how it works. That's my question. I want to see how it works.
Okay, so you want to see a functioning prototype? Is that what you mean?
That would be amazing. Yeah, that would be great.
You know, that just like I told you, it takes time to get there. You know, this is a hardware product. You know, so it takes, you know,
time and money,
back and forth to actually get to where you want to be.
Of course,
you know? Yeah.
So we need to demonstrate something. It's not possible for any investor right now at this stage to just trust the pictures and this piece of this shape that this is gonna work. It's just you know, it's not possible.
who says what could happen in a month, you know? Cause
maybe you'll find somebody else. We'll find money somewhere else.
yeah,
That also can happen.
Yeah.
But I kind of doubt that anyone except family and friends who just know you personally would give you money at this stage, because too early, which means that the founder of the company has not invested enough yet. So, which means for me it's too early. So now you need to invest something and come and say, like, because when I'm giving money, it's already usually the value of the company is 1 million or more, around 1 million. Now there is not 1 million. I don't say a million here. You know, when you make all this and the back end, the iPhone app, and the device all together, maybe in that case it's going to be a million. In that case, just my 20 grand or 10 grand will be just small, tiny part. But I just understand the situation that you're kind of early on the early stage, so you need to move a little bit forward. Just move a little bit forward, and then I'll be more, because now it's kind of, for me, it's kind of zero. You know. This is not ready, this is not ready, this is not ready. But in general, it will work like a beautiful solution. It's a big distance between that situation and a beautiful solution, you know, and the distance is kind of, it makes me really like too risky for me. I can't just trust words and then just put my money up for that. So just come back when you have something, and I will be really interested to see how it works.